Hi, my name is Bo Crew and I'm a senior travel consultant here at Enchanting Travels. During my visits to Costa Rica, I always felt the Pura Vida mindset of the locals really had a positive impact on me and my experience there. The people are super welcoming and open and are a big part of what makes this country so special. My insider tip for those doing an enchanting trip to Costa Rica is to let our expert private guides help you get away from the crowds. They know the best places to look for exotic wildlife like sloths, monkeys, and toucans. One of our recent guests had a half-day tour planned to visit a national park and see the sloths up close. He was enjoying it so much that he extended the tour to a full day on the fly, and the guide took him all over the park where he got to see tons of unique animals. I hope you make it to Costa Rica someday to see this amazing country for yourself.